Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kasamai terikam jong kinungkit kam jong kasengsan partai Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Union. Hagajing sisa kalakot no haswa ban kot jong snam araja khatpra. Handrai namar ka jingwan no ka election MLA banjet thamai ya kinong mikman sya ka yeng darbar thawan ka jalla bat ka election MP la penne bachwa ya ki jo kinongkit kam kanang man penya be ya ki kam ki jam election mentala palat saubanai balakot no ka election MP kai pat ka rai jong kinong ilam jong ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party seng kemena Delhi kensyem halor kinongkit kam bathamai hagani ka jalla bat kham tamru unong ilam ubah kledo uban yalam ya ka seng hagani ka jalla. Halor kani ke Batisi TV kelayo benikran kerpang bat wei ni MLA jong kaseng BJP hakani ke jela Meghalaya ubalayo urban long menteri sarkar hakani ke sarkar MDA uba Alexander L Heng. Halor ke jingkeli la ulong ni em ubala kloy ban chimti ya kam kom ukledo jong kani kaseng hakani ke jela. Nakalyang uba Alexander L Heng ula penpau ba ulong uba kloy ban chimti ya kani kam kom unong ilam ba kledo jong kaseng BJP hakani ke jela Meghalaya.
Decision gawan benda kesentar lagi court election dan ini nominate try again should nominate not refuse if the offers come to the party I'll make stronger and stronger party once I'll be given responsibility. Need number by our national president no dang should nominate. If the offer come, I will not say no. I'm ready to take the responsibility.